The company has strong technical force, complete talent team. The company has all kinds of testing, production, test equipment, more than 300 sets, and product production process, flexible machining line, and assembly line, build machining, tooth making, heat treatment, grinding teeth, assembly of the 5 functional production research and development bases, with a provincial engineering research center and engineering technology research center, management team, and high-quality industrial workers, with domestic and foreign sophisticated equipment, relying on the complete technology research and development platform and R&D team, build a combination of production, learning and research of science and technology research and development, and independent innovation system, with independent intellectual property rights, access to a number of patent certificates. The core technology of the leading products have independent intellectual property rights.